Hey, this is Lewis found out with regards to Friday Damage property you submitted on our site over in you just said the videos for?
Yes.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Very good. Very good. Do you mind confirming the address for me really quick?
Yes. It's a two from me, yes.
Got it. Awesome. Oh, you said two family?
Yes.
Got it. All right. And we didn't actually see a name come through. If you don't mind, who am I speaking with?
My name is...
Okay, pleasure to meet you. So if you don't mind, just catch us up on the fire. Was it recently that this occurred?
So it was me and my partner wanted to get it fixed, but we just decided to just sell it.
Got it. And you said it cut out a little bit when you were chatting there, but you said it was recently?
Yeah, it was like a year ago.
Oh, got it. And did you all figure out what caused the fire to happen?
Yes, the kid was in the back playing with fire or something.
Were they okay?
Yes.
Okay, got it. Awesome. Okay, so let me pull up the videos that you sent really quick. How is the interior as far as like all the rooms? How's the damage looking to the rooms and the roof?
So it looked like it was a lot of water damage, smoke damage, but nothing structural, just cosmetic.
What's the layout on the property as well? I don't think it's showing on Zillow as a 6-bed, 0-bath, but that's obviously not right.
So it's 3 beds and 1 bath in each apartment.
Okay, got it. So like you said, a lot of water damage, a lot of smoke damage, nothing structural, mainly cosmetic.
Correct, yes.
Okay. How about like the roof in like the upper areas, the upper floors?
I mean, the roof is okay. I mean, they did cut a hole in the roof to get it smoke up, but we got that fixed.
You since got the whole fix?
Yes.
Okay, so got the whole fix. So as of now, it's just like the structure and then the water damage and the smoke damage. That's the main portion of the, okay. So is there, since the roof was fixed, is there any other portion that is like open to the elements? Like, are there any windows that are busted or like the doors are busted or that, or is it boarded up?
Yeah, everything's boarded up.
Okay. Are there, I know it happened quite a while back. Are there any like warnings or anything of that nature on the property? Warnings, deadlines from the town or the city to get work done on the property?
No.
Okay, very good. Okay. I imagine insurance is finished up by now, correct?
There was no insurance on there, so
got it. I'm sorry to hear about that. Okay. Is there still anything owed on the property? Is there a mortgage owed?
No, it was no mortgage on it.
Very good. Okay. How could our team go check out the property in person so that way we can kind of get an idea of what the scope of work will look like for us and get you all an offer on it?
Yeah, so the side door is no door there. It's just boarded up. That's how we get in. We use the screwdriver just to get in the side door. Unscrew the screw.
You'll just remove it and then put it back kind of like when you come and go, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just take a note of that. Got it, awesome. Yeah, we'd love to check it out. And as of now, have you all discussed what you're hoping to receive for it?
We did have a price in mind, like $80,000. We willing to negotiate.
Okay.
Also, the screws, it's not like a regular Phillips screw, it's like a star screw in there.
What kind of screw was it you said?
Like a star? It looked like a star.
Like a star, okay. Let me just take a note of that so we can make sure to take the right. Do you know what you use to remove it when you all go?
I don't know the name of it, but it's like a regular screwdriver and it has star head on it. I use the drill.
Okay, awesome. If you give us some time, do you already have some offers that you're mulling over? Or I was gonna say, if you give us some time to get over there and check it out, we can get back to you with numbers.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good. I have somebody else going there to check it out too.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, so we go over, put the notes in regards to access. We'll get over, check the property out, work on numbers with you. If everything makes sense, I know you said no insurance, no mortgage, so we could ideally get closed out relatively on the quicker side since there's no third parties involved. So we just get the title work done, make sure there's no code violations, liens, back taxes, things of that nature, and get you all cash in hand if we'll get a number that makes sense. All right.
Sounds good.
I'll give you a call or text after I know when we'll be headed over to check out the property. That way you know. All right.
Okay.
All right. Listen. Pleasure. We'll talk soon.
Okay. Thank you.
Of course.
Bye-bye.